Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Tis the season, season's greetings here. Spread lots of positivity and holiday cheer. So I've always wanted to do something special for you guys for the holiday season, and I thought of this right here. So all the way from now till Christmas, guys, we're going to have Vlogmas. So what is Vlogmas? Well, Vlogmas is a series of videos basically leading to Christmas Day. So the way we're going to do it, guys, is we're going to be uploading, there's the upload schedule right here. We're going to be posting a video every other day. So each video that you guys are going to see here, nothing is pre-recorded. Everything is literally going to be edited and filmed and posted within 24 hours from when I hit the record button on that video. So this video is being filmed today. Today is December 2nd. You guys are going to see this video December 2nd. So this video might come out a little bit late, but it's Vlogmas, guys. So come on, give your boy a little bit of slack. You know, just a little bit. Hopefully, you know, it gets a little bit easier, but so far we have a lot of videos planned. And I'm pretty excited for this, guys. The month of December is going to be absolutely insane. We're going to end this year off super strong. And this whole series is purely for you guys. I stood up all night till like 5 a.m. writing a whole plan of all the videos we're going to be making this month. And let's just say you guys are in for a treat. So this is my little Christmas gift to you guys. We're going to have a whole Vlogmas series right here. I also have our upload schedule with some sneak peeks that I'm going to be posting on Instagram. So I'll have that linked down below, and there's a banner right over here. So go ahead, check that Instagram out and drop a follow if you do. So sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and this is Vlogmas. So for today's episode, guys, right here I have the 2022 A91 CF Edition Supra, guys. It's still just as broken as you guys remember last time. If you guys are new here, I'll have the whole playlist of this car's rebuild linked down below. Plus, there's playlists for a bunch of other cars that we've done too. So check them out if you're new here. There's a bunch of epic stuff over there. But today what we're going to be doing on this car, guys, is this thing has been so filthy ever since we got this car. It's never even had its first wash. And just look at the roof right there. And look at all that bird caca from when it's been sitting at the dealership. And this thing is dirty as dirt. And I'm gonna pull the car out into the sunlight. That armrest, the little grain inside the leather, that thing is just filled with all the arm grease from the big scammer guy that worked on this car, guys. The grain and the stitching, everything is like tinted black from his arm grease and everything. Those people are scammers and they're dirty people. They don't even wash themselves. So we're gonna go ahead, get that all completely cleaned out, get this car shining, because this interior is completely custom to the A91s, to the CF editions. They do not, this steering wheel is aftermarket, but this red and black interior, only the CF editions have this. So we gotta do this car right and get that thing shined up right there. I threw on this carbon fiber hood that I'm so excited to clean. I've never cleaned a car with so much carbon fiber before, so I'm so excited to get this nice and cleaned up. And then we let this car sit at the dealership for so long that these hood pins, they're working a little bit better right now, but they're a little sticky, not as great as they should be. So we're gonna probably toss some WD-40 in there as well, get those nice and lubed up. But we're gonna fire this car up, guys, and it's going to be a pretty relieving cold start because, as you guys know, we worked so hard to get this car to start up. However, there is believed to be some sort of an issue powertrain-wise on this car. So it might not sound the best, but we're still going to start it up. But this thing probably needs an engine rebuild. Okay, so now that we got the Supra moved outside, let's take a look at what we're cooking with right here. We have some residue right there from some auction tape that was on the car. Clearly very dusty. It does look really nice though, and I can't wait to see what it looks like when it's clean. Got some more residue, a bunch of like little blemishes, some little leaves, a bunch of dust right there. The paint coat on this is absolute zero, so it should have absolutely zero garbage on the paint. So we need to get this completely clean. We're also going to do an interior detail. It is not totally bad, but it does need a good vacuum and a good detail. Scrub down everything, get all this leather nice and bright red again, and it's looking really good though for the most part. I cannot wait to clean these calipers, and then of course under the hood. So first step is we're going to do a pre-wash. So we're going to rinse off all the dirt off the car, then we're going to spray it with some foam. So we're going to do a foam cannon. All those things are right here. So pre-wash with the pressure washer, foam cannon, then we're going to do a good scrub down with the car and use our various brushes and stuff that we need to get to all the hard to reach places to clean the calipers and stuff. And of course we're going to clean under the hood as well. Then after we're done with the exterior, we're going to use a drying towel. I think I left the drying towel in the trunk of the Camaro. But after we do a drying towel, then we'll move on to the interior, which all we need for that is just some sprays, some brushes, a vacuum, and some detailing towels. Oh yeah, there it is, guys. Guys, this stuff is really caked on there. As you can see, look at this. All that black speckling, it's so caked on there. You gotta scrub it to get it off. Look at all that. I just sprayed all of that, but it's like not coming off with the pressure washer. So basically this car is gonna need one really good clean and wash down by the hand. So I'm gonna rinse down as much as I can, and then we're gonna go ahead and foam bath it and do it by hand. My brother has something to tell you guys.
Very merry, happy winter solstice. Everything. I wish you guys the best. Thank you for all the subscribers and love you guys bring us. I hope you guys have amazing holidays, amazing, happy, fun times with your family and friends. Happy Vlogmas!
Should we just paint match everything on this car white?
Yeah.
Just turn it into a giant igloo.
It looks very good.
It's not your ideal temperature right now to be washing a car. That's why that bucket over there has like extremely hot water inside of it. So if I dip my hand in this, it's nice and warm and toasty. It's time for a good scrub down. I gotta clean this. Oh my goodness. That's like well over a year's worth of dirt and dust. Crazy. And that's even after a rinse off. On this car, I don't think it matters because there's dust everywhere on it. But for your normal car, it's a good tip is to start from the roof of the car and work your way down while you're scrubbing. That way there's like the least amount of dirt at the top. But this car has dirt everywhere, so it doesn't really apply to this one. Just on this one, I just had to do a really good rinse off. So I think we're good now. Guys, it's so gritty. Like all that dirt that's embedded in the paint's just coming right off. It's so gritty though, until you like actually take it off. It's so gritty.
It's so nitty gritty.
I don't even know how to hit the gritty. Please don't click off the video. I won't hit the gritty again. Almost forgot. The seasoning. Now it'll look like a 3-mile Supra. That's such a dark joke if you guys know the history of this car.
It looks amazing right now. All clean. For real, 3-mile Supra.
Or maybe it looks like a 2 billion mile Supra.
Oh,
More to come,
I forgot. Oh wait, you missed the spot. Even though it's a brand new part.
I never miss a spot.
Can't wait to see these calipers all clean. They are so brown right now.
The amount of times I crawled around in here during the rebuild. Oh, look at all that. Now we got to move on to the inside. We got some carbon fiber in here to detail, but we got some Alcantara as well and some carpeting. And of course, those greasy armrests. Look inside that grain, guys, all that grease in there. We're gonna vacuum all this. Looks like some dog fur from the previous owner. get this all nice and rejuvenated and get this car looking like really nice, I guess. Ooh, still in there. Gotta whip out some of this stuff. Certainly working. Dang guys, that cleaned up better than you can polish some cheap clear coat. Take a look at this, guys. This car came out absolutely amazing. Oh my goodness, that carbon just glistening in the sun. Guys, the sun is literally doing us a favor right now. I don't know how it's so perfect, but literally the carbon is the only part of the car that's in the sun. This part is in the sun so you guys can see that carbon weave. The rest of it is in the dark so you guys can see that paint color so it's not blinding you, because when this stuff hits the light, it's bright. But the outside of the car looks absolutely amazing. And guys, look at these calipers. Look at those calipers. Those look absolutely amazing. Those are so clean. All right, now time for this one, guys. So I'm fighting against the clock right now because I have to upload and edit this video today, and it's like 3 o'clock right now. My goal is to get this out by 6 or 7, but I have to do some good editing. But take a look at the interior, guys. Black grease out of those armrests and everything, and that carbon fiber inside is absolutely looking clean, guys. This interior smells absolutely amazing as well. Take a look at that, guys. That looks amazing. But guys, that is gonna be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching it, and thank you so much for joining the first episode of Vlogmas 2024, guys. This was a fun one. We have a bunch more epic stuff planned, and I'm so excited to give you guys a bunch of videos all the way until Christmas. But this is Vlogmas, guys, so it's super fun and it's gonna be nice and festive. The Supra has never looked better. And thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, go down below, hit that like button, while there's a shiny red subscribe button that you should click. But thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all on December 4th. Bye.